Are you ready to explore the future of foldable phones? When it comes to foldable phones, there's one company that always comes to mind: Samsung. They've been a pioneer in the field, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible with each new release. Over the years, we've seen improvements in display technology, increased durability, new software features, and upgraded internal components, including stronger SoCs and improved cameras. Ever since Samsung came up with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, rumors have begun to swirl around regarding the next Samsung Galaxy Z Fold model. So now, we'll take a closer look at the rumors and speculations surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Release date. It looks like Samsung has a habit of unveiling their Galaxy Z Fold devices in August. In recent years, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4 were both unveiled in the month of August. Based on this pattern, it's highly likely that the eagerly awaited Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be introduced to the world in mid to late August 2023. Under no circumstances can anyone tell the exact date of launch for it, but after the announcement, it is expected that the device will become available for purchase within a short span of time, likely within a week or two. Design rumors and reports suggest that the foldable phone will receive multiple upgrades and changes. One of the most exciting upgrades rumored to be in the works is the new teardrop-shaped hinge design. This new design is expected to eliminate the gap between the two halves of the display when folded, reducing the appearance of the crease that has been a characteristic of previous Galaxy Z Fold models. Just as this wasn't enough, a Korean publication reported seeing a prototype of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 hinge at the 2023 Consumer Electronics Show, which showed a significant reduction in size compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Samsung has also confirmed the new hinge design and shared images of a new prototype display called the Flex In and Out, which has the capability of folding in both inward and outward directions. Although it's still too early to say for certain, it's possible that the new technology could make its way onto the Galaxy Z Fold 5. What do you think? Will Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have this newest and latest technology? Let us know in the comments. Specs and features. The anticipation is building for the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and speculations are already buzzing about what this cutting-edge device could bring to the table. The current information suggests that the phone could be powered by the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, a chip that could be announced by Qualcomm in May. The exact details are yet to be confirmed, but this exciting development is adding fuel to the fire of anticipation. If a recent report from Vietnamese website The Pixel is to be believed, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could be slightly larger than its predecessor, with dimensions of 158.5 by 128.5 by 6.5 millimeters when unfolded, and 158.5 by 67.5 by 14.5 by 16 millimeters when folded, and a weight of around 275 grams. This would certainly be a change worth getting excited about, as the larger size would provide even more screen real estate to enjoy all your favorite content. In terms of camera, the report suggests that Galaxy Z Fold 5 could feature an impressive array of lenses, including a 108 megapixel main shooter, a 64 megapixel 2-time telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel wide-angle camera. These advanced cameras are sure to elevate your photography and videography to the next level. But that's not all. For the first time, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 could also include a slot for the popular S Pen. This beloved feature has been a staple of other Samsung devices and would be a welcome addition to the Galaxy Z Fold line. Of course, as the information has not been formally validated, it is necessary to treat these rumors with caution. We'll have to wait for more credible sources to reveal the true speculations of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Price. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 4 had a premium price tag of $1,799 at their launches. It's likely that the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will follow suit and remain at this premium level, though we can understand why some consumers may hope for a lower cost. But it's hard to say for sure, as Samsung has not officially released any information about the price of the new foldable phone. rest assured we'll keep an eye out for any updates and share them with you as soon as we know more. Till then, make your guesses. What's your estimate for the cost of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 promises to be a highly anticipated device that could push the boundaries of smartphone design and functionality even further. We can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. Make sure to stay updated by subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any of the latest news and information.